Good day, ma'am. Today, we'll be working with basic Python concept like logical operations, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. We'll go through a few scenarios to see how this works in real-world situation. First, I'll put my name, Marian Quizison, section BSIT 1E, and then we define whether the user is registered, and if they are an admin, then we check three conditions: whether they can access the system, if they have admin privileges, and if they are considered a guest. Finally, we print the results. We create a list of student scores. Right now, this list contains 5 scores, which we print to confirm. A new test score just came in. We add 95 to our list using append and print the updated list. To keep only the best scores, we find the lowest score using mean student scores and remove it with remove, then we print the updated list. We want the highest scores to be listed first. So we use sort reverse equals true. Now the scores are arranged from highest to lowest. Here, we store student names in a tuple, which is an immutable data type, meaning we can't change it later. We then print the first and last students from the list using index position. Now, instead of just storing scores in a list, we create a dictionary where each student has an ID, a name, and a score. This makes it easier to look up and modify student details later. Now we use the get method to find a student by their ID. If the ID exists, we display their details. If not, we return student not found. Now, Dan's scores needs an update. We access his record using his student ID 102 and update his score to 95. Then we print the updated record. Now Precious is no longer in our records, so we remove them using Del Students 104. Finally, we print the updated dictionary to confirm the deletion. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.